Hello dear friends. In this video I will show you how to enable the display of dimensions in 3D modeling mode in SolidWorks, and I will also teach you how to calculate the mass of parts if you know their density. Click on the home icon, select part, then OK. Select the front plane, then sketch. Let's draw our cube to which we will add dimensions. Select and set the dimension. Let's leave 75 here. And here, let's set 167. Exit the sketch, go to features, and select extruded boss base, extrude it to 40 millimeters. Okay. Now we see that we can't tell what the dimensions are or from which side. So right click on annotations and select show feature dimensions. To make it display clearly, we find the gear icon, click it, go to document properties units and set rounding to the nearest half or whole number. Okay. Now we can see the dimensions. Next, to measure the part's mass, we go to Analyze. Assign a material, let's say plain carbon steel, for example. That's it, the material is set. You can see the mass properties now. We got 3,907 grams. Let's go into the settings. Find Use User Settings. Change grams to kilograms and change millimeters to meters. Click OK. Now we see 3.91 kilograms. And the density is 7,800 kilograms per cubic meter. This was Alexa TV with you. Subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye bye everyone.